Hey and welcome to SMS Alert. Today we are going to cover how to install SMS Alert plugin in Bitrix 24. We hope you have already created an account on SMS Alert. If not, please create an account before you proceed further with this video. As without SMS Alert account, you will not be able to send SMS using this plugin. Log into your Bitrix 24 account and navigate to Applications. Search for SMS Alert. Click on Install button to install it for your Bitrix 24 account. Grant necessary permissions to users or roles, and then click on Configure SMS Alert credentials. Navigate to SMS Alert app and enter your SMS Alert credentials. Click on Verify and Continue button. Select the default country to which you want to send SMS. Select Sender ID. For demo account, the default sender ID is CVDemo. Finally, click on Save Changes. We hope this video was helpful to you. See you soon with more such informative videos in future. Thank you.